If you're lactose intolerant like I am, or you're vegan, you'll know that dairy-free desserts are pretty thin on the ground. So I've taken it upon myself to create this lovely dairy-free rhubarb fool. I do hope you love it. So first of all, chop your cleaned and dried rhubarb into chunks. Pop it into a baking dish and then add the zest of the orange and the sugar. Pop that in the oven and bake. Now, while the rhubarb's cooking, you're going to make your coconut cream. To do this, you have to use coconut milk that has been in the fridge, at least overnight ideally. Scoop out the top firm white part of the coconut milk. Add in the seeds from your vanilla pod and whisk it until it's firm. It should only take a couple of minutes. Now I'm just popping out into the garden to grab some fresh mint, and then I'm going to layer up the cooked rhubarb, the whipped coconut cream, and those fresh vibrant mint leaves. And there we go. That is delicious, and you won't feel you're missing out on anything. If you've got the room in your garden, it's worth planting your own rhubarb plant. They do get quite big, and be warned that if you have children, the leaves are poisonous, so make sure you dispose of those leaves safely. But that's not bad, is it? Homegrown rhubarb and homegrown mint. Happy days. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week.